Hi, this text is number 2. How did we evolve eye color? It's the scientist article. And the question of which apes did human beings evolve from? That's a big question, and that's the reason why this area is science of science. The study of human ancestors is such a big and active area. That's because the honest answer is we don't eat now. We do know little pieces of the puzzle. So we know that by looking at DNA, the last common ancestor between human beings and chimpanzees lived about 7 million years ago, and when we look at fossils from around this time, we do find that these fossils do have things in common with human beings. So fossils from West Africa are started to show the really early signs of things like bipedalism. But one of the challenges of this area is, when we look at these fossils, we're not looking at our direct ancestor. It's like if I'm studying a photograph of my great uncle and I'm trying to imagine what my great-grandfather looked like. So it's one of those challenges that we're trying to work out what our ancestors looked like from our distant relatives. But going to the question of the eye color, yes, our early human ancestors likely had brown eyes, and the diversity in the eye color that we see today comes from mutation in our genome. So, for example, the mutation that gives us blue eyes we can pin down to about 6,000 years ago. And perhaps one of the reasons we do see a lot of variety in eye color in humans is because of our white sclera. So, the whites in our eyes really makes our eyes really stand out, really punch out when you look at them, and that's probably because of things like non-verbal communication. So, facial features are really important in our society, that we're drawn to look at eyes.